How to fix camera shutter lag in Honor Magic 7. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera. On top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on settings and then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option restore default. It means reset camera settings. So then click on it. After clicking on that, your camera settings will be reset. After reset your camera settings, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then again click on apps. Now click on camera. Here you can see the option storage. Now click on it. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down in last and click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.